Every habit can be divided into three parts. The first part is the trigger, which is an event or circumstance that prompts automatic behavior. Hunger can be an example of a trigger, and it can also come from an external source. The second part is the action, which is initiated following the trigger. The brain estimates prior knowledge and experience to determine the appropriate response. The third part is the reward, which occurs after taking action. The brain receives a jolt of satisfaction. In this part, the brain assesses whether to make the habit a standard process, allowing you to automatically respond without expending mental energy. This conserves energy and makes the behavior more efficient. To change a habit, you need to be aware of two things. Firstly, a habit is a connection between neurons in your brain. For example, if you enjoy drinking coffee in the morning, there is a physical connection between neurons in your brain that associates your morning routine with coffee. To break a bad habit, you need to break the physical connection between neurons. Secondly, your brain will try to justify every habit by providing a logical explanation. This can make it difficult to stick to your goals, such as losing weight. For example, your brain might tell you that you can eat chocolate because you did exercise today. However, it's important to recognize these justifications and make conscious choices that align with your goals. Here are some tactics that might help you develop better habits. It's important to have a clear reason for wanting to adopt a new habit. Ask yourself why you need it and what the outcome will be. Consider how you will feel once the habit is established. Ask yourself, what is the outcome of not having this habit? By doing this every time you take action, your chances of taking action will increase. To reinforce the habit, educate yourself about it. Read articles and watch videos, and learn about the science behind the habit. This will help you understand the benefits and how to develop the habit effectively, and also feed the right information to the brain. Anticipate potential complications and prepare solutions for them. Your brain may resist the new habit, so it's important to have a plan in place to overcome any obstacles that may arise. Consider the trigger that will prompt the habit and identify a corresponding reward that will reinforce it. By connecting a positive reward to the habit, you can train your brain to associate it with positive feelings and make it more likely to stick. To increase your chances of adopting a new habit, it's important to take small steps rather than trying to make a big change all at once. Starting with baby steps can help you build momentum and gradually increase the difficulty. Be specific about the details of your habit. For example, if your goal is to go to the gym 5 times a week, make a precise plan for when and where you will work out. Creating the right environment is also key to establishing a new habit. Choose a gym that is conveniently located or set up a home gym if that's more practical for you. Don't choose a gym that's an hour away, as this will make it easier for your brain to come up with excuses not to go. Surround yourself with people who have similar habits. Being around others who are committed to the same goal can be motivating and inspiring. Consider joining a group or community that shares your interests and habits.